Students, I am Sujit Kumar Sahu. My YouTube channel all about civil engineering. All are welcome. Welcome all the students of third year heartily. Okay, today's subject is environmental engineering. Environmental engineering divided two section: water supply and wastewater engineering, and studied water wastewater engineering or sanitary engineering. And the topic is today's topic is secondary treatment of sewage. See the PDF. Okay, secondary treatment of sewage. Okay, this is the topic. Okay, in the primary treatment, a large solid in sewage are removed, but the effluent still contain organic matter, bacteria, colloidal matters. Okay, previously, primary treatment we have provided and also studied. Okay, and where still contain organic matter and bacterial colloidal matter. Such effluent cannot be discharged into a natural water course. So the secondary treatment are given to the effluent of primary treatment to make it safe in all respect of suitable for discharging into river. Okay. The most important unit is in this stage are activated sludge and filtration of sludge. Okay. Flow diagram is very important. Okay, first semester. Okay, from primary treatment this sewage is aeration tank, secondary sedimentation tank, then digestion tank. Okay, secondary sedimentation to dosing tank, trickling filter, and the tickling filter to chlorination, then disposal. Okay, লাস্ট প্রসেস ইজ ডিসপোজাল, মানে সুয়েজটাকে ফেলে দেওয়া, নদী বা খালে আমরা ফেলে দিই। ওকে, ফ্লো ডায়াগ্রাম ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ওকে, ফার্স্ট ইজ secondary treatment. Aeration tank. Aeration tank, it brings sewage in time contact with air. It helps to absorb oxygen from air. It helps bacteria to break up the organic matter quickly. Secondary sedimentation tank, very important. It removes the very fine suspended particle in the sewage. It is removed by secondary sedimentation tank. It produces activated sludge which is very effective in oxidizing the organic matter. Sludge digestion tank, it breaks the organic matter into a liquid and simple compound. It reduces the volume of sludge, it reduces the moisture content of sludge, it converts the sludge into facilitator. It convert to sludge to fertilizer হিসাবে আমরা কাজ করি। ওকে, ডোজিং ট্যাঙ্ক, it provide uniform spreading arrangement of sewage over the trickling filter. It provide intermediate dosing of sewage by automatic siphonic device. Trickling filter, it remove the total solid of sewage, it reduce BOD, biological oxygen demand, it give clear effluent. Chlorination of sewage, it disinfect the sewage by chlorine. It prevent, chlorine means this is cleaning different type germs and other, it is clean or remove it. Okay, it disinfect the sewage by chlorine. It prevent the corrosion of sewer, it prevent the growth of algae and other life in sewer. Aeration tank, the process of absorbing oxygen from air is known as aeration. Okay, this aeration of sewage is the most vital operation is activated sludge process. Due to aeration, sludge containing bacteria become more powerful and decomposing the sewage quickly. Hence, the aeration is the first step of secondary treatment. The aeration is achieved by providing air diffusion in aeration tank. Okay, jet diffuser, plant diffuser, tube diffuser. This is plate diffuser. Okay, this is tube diffuser. Type of aeration tank: ridge, furrow type tank, and spiral flow type tank. This is the ridge and furrow type tank. See the picture. This is an inlet. Okay, ridge, furrow type, air compressor, and the outlet. Next is spiral flow type. Okay, this is inlet and air compressor. Okay, this is outlet. Okay, secondary sedimentation tank, very important. Secondary sedimentation tank, also known the secondary clarifier or secondary settling tank. Okay, another name is settling tank. Constructs, it is a rectangular tank construction with brick masonry, a buckle wall provided in the tank to divide into two zones. The floor each zone is made sloping toward the side. Okay, this is the picture inlet. This is the two number chamber. This is the first chamber and this is the second chamber. Okay, working, aerated sewage is allowed to enter the tank through the inlet chamber and it's detained for 1 hour in the tank. The sludge is deposited at the bottom of the tank. This sludge becomes activated due to aeration. The effluent is discharged through the outlet chamber taken into trickling filter. Okay, recirculation of some portion of activity sludge is recirculated aeration tank by pumping. Disposal of excess sludge is taken into the sludge digestion tank for digestion and final disposal. Activated sludge process. This is the activated sludge process. Okay, the sludge which is made powerful by process aeration known as activated sludge. Sludge which is made powerful by process of aeration known as activated sludge. Okay, action. The activated sludge, when mixed with sewage, the microorganism multiply rapidly. Okay, operational feature. This is the aeration tank and secondary tank and the digestion tank. Okay, sedimentation to recirculation activated. Okay, and the excess activated is to trickling filter. Okay, this is the operational. Okay, activated sludge process, and we will read the secondary sedimentation tank and aeration tank. Okay, aeration tank flow diagram is very important. Okay, thank you all the students.